Hello, my name is Shivam. I got my LASIK surgery done, femto LASIK surgery done from XLI Care Hospital. My experience was quite nice. Matlab, from the starting itself, from the consultation to the end of the process, it was it was quite smooth, and that is when the doctor were very professional and caring. So the experience was very nice. Earlier I was very skeptical कि अच्छा मुझे LASIK कराना चाहिए नहीं कराना चाहिए. But after getting in touch with the doctor and listening about the experiences of the previous people who have got it done, like I was very confident of going through the complete process. There was pain for a couple of hours, but the process itself was not painful. The surgery was of around 15 minutes only, and the surgery was very smooth. It was not painful. But after the surgery, when the effect of that anesthesia is a bit less, then we feel pain for a couple of hours. But yes, the surgery was, as a process, was completely okay. If you are thinking about this, you can explore about the complete process. I would suggest कि हाँ you can get it done. पहले मैं भी skeptical था, लेकिन हाँ सब लोग के experience जानकर और after getting assured from Dr. Anisha कि हाँ this is a life-changing thing, because earlier I was also my vision was not very clear, but now my vision is crystal clear and I'm very confident about my experience. The surgery is also very safe. So it is not like कि अच्छा you are having any fear कि अच्छा कैसा होगा. So you can get it done. Yes.